Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to start inside Messages, open a conversation, and reveal the app drawer to access stickers. Once done, make sure the sticker pack is installed, swipe the drawer and tap the store icon to download. You should see stickers populate the drawer at the bottom. Tap a pack to preview. This is how you choose quickly. Because stickers live inside the Messages app, opening the right thread first saves time and avoids confusion, so start here and pick the pack you want. You now place stickers directly on Messages or send them as standalone images. Tap to send immediately or press and hold to pick up a sticker, then drag it onto a message bubble or photo. This anchors the sticker to that element. Use 2 fingers to pinch and rotate, so size and angle match the target. This makes reactions clearer. Once positioned, release to attach, then tap send. Because anchored stickers stick to content, they communicate context and tone without typing. Finish by organizing and troubleshooting so stickers remain reliable. You can reorder or remove packs from the drawer, tap Edit, and adjust position to access favorites faster. If a sticker pack vanishes, force close Messages and reopen. Re-download the pack from the sticker store when needed. If problems persist, toggle iMessage off and on in Settings Messages to refresh syncing. Make sure your iPhone is updated, and check storage space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.